Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Maniya here and I am back with another video. This video is part of my Christmas countdown of makeup tutorials. I am doing Christmas lights. I find this look so fun and festive and pretty for the holidays. So you can see I started with my base and then I'm going in with my face paint palette that I got on Amazon. The details are down below in the description. I started drawing the wire. I wanted it to be more on my outer face, so that's what I kind of focused on. And then I also wanted it to be kind of like fun and swirly, like it was just all over the place, that type of wire. So that's why I was making little circles and little, swirlies around, as you can see. After I finished the wire, I wanted to add a small detail that kind of makes it look like the lights are hanging or dangling off of the wire. I see some other people who've created this look that kind of don't do this or they skip this step, which you can also do, but I thought for my look, I wanted it to look like that. After that, I started to go in with some color. I kind of tried to make it even, so I did 5 of each color all around my face, and then I filled in with extra colors wherever I felt I needed it to go. So I started with the red, the green, the purple. Now I'm at the blue. I go in with pink, orange, and I believe yellow also throughout my face. So I just keep, spreading the colors out so it can look as even as possible. After that, I'm just touching up my eyes, cleaning up the lids because I didn't put any makeup on there before. I'm gonna set it with some powder. And then I added some glitter on top of that, and I did my lashes for the final steps. If you want to see any other details on how I do my lashes or the glitter that I use, please write a comment down below and I will definitely hit you up with those details. And that is it. Thanks again, guys, for watching. I hope you enjoyed. I have plenty more videos to come. And if you want to follow me on social media, these are my social media links. You can also watch more here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Comment down below and subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next video.